House prices seem to be a constant concern of people through time. From the Industrial Revolution of the 19th century to the Great Depression of the 1930s, to the subprime crisis at the beginning of this century, house prices played an important role. An economist once made the following analysis of housing prices. First, rising housing prices generally encourage consumer spending, and this leads to higher economic growth. Second, a sharp drop in housing prices adversely affects consumer confidence, construction, and this leads to lower economic growth. Third, rising housing prices can also redistribute wealth within an economic, not by increasing the wealth of homeowners, but by reducing effective living standards for those who do not own a house. This seems to indicate an incredibly powerful law. When we can grasp the law of housing price changes, we can approach the lifeline of economic change. In order to accurately quantify the impact of this change on human activities, economists have created a measuring tool called the House Price Index, which measures the price changes of residential housing as a percentage change from some specific start date. We will also use this tool to analyze the changes in housing prices throughout Virginia. We collected several housing price datasets from the government website in Virginia, and moreover, to describe the house price index precisely, we also try to add other datasets like the average stock price, the GDP changes, and the CPI table. Compared with an obvious linear relationship, the HPI tends to change at a certain period. Therefore, instead of using traditional linear regression methods to predict HPI, we use a relatively advanced statistical analysis method, time series. In statistics, a moving average is a calculation to analyze data points by creating a series of averages of different subsets of the full dataset. After a slight adjustment of the parameters, we control the RMSE to around 1.1. However, it's clear that the statistical approach only considers the factor of the change in HPI. The reasons for the impact of the HPI are far greater than these. We reorganized the dataset and used the regression tree model to repredict the house price. After a lengthy period of future engineering, the tree model achieved better results, and the RMSE was reduced to 0.75. Despite these results, does the prediction's accuracy limited to this point? We cannot help but ask such questions. Is there any room for enhancement in the data pre-processing? Will the application of deep neural networks have a better effect on the processing of non-structural data? Machine learning is always full of knowledge waiting to be explored. From this class, we learn to continually try to improve and progress. That's it. Thank you for watching.